Looking for the best eSIM for Mexico? In this video, we'll show you why Holafly is our top recommendation for travelers visiting Mexico. We'll cover the main benefits, how much it costs, how to buy it, and exactly how to activate it before your trip. It's one of the easiest ways to stay connected from the moment you land in Mexico. And if you'd like to try it, we'll leave our discount code in the description so you can save some money. Why we recommend Holafly for Mexico. If you're looking for an easy way to stay connected while traveling in Mexico, Holafly is one of the best options available. It's one of the most popular travel eSIM providers in Latin America and offers unlimited data plans. Prices start at around $6.50 per day, but the cost per day decreases significantly as you add more days to your plan, so you don't have to worry about running out of data or paying unexpected roaming fees during your trip. The biggest advantage is convenience. You can set everything up before your flight and be connected as soon as you land, without searching for a local SIM card shop. It's perfect for Google Maps, Uber, WhatsApp, booking tours, or even remote work while traveling. So if convenience is your priority, Holafly is hard to beat. Holafly pros and cons. One of the biggest advantages is its unlimited data, easy setup, and instant delivery. You can purchase your eSIM online, receive it by email within minutes, and keep your regular phone number. Customer support is also available in English if you need help. The main downside is that Holafly isn't always the cheapest option. If you're planning to stay in Mexico for several months, a local SIM card may offer better value. That said, for most travelers visiting Mexico for 1 to 4 weeks, Holafly is simply the easiest and most convenient solution. Getting started with Holafly. To get started, simply click the Holafly link in the description below. It will take you directly to the Mexico eSIM page, and the discount will be applied automatically to your purchase. Before buying your eSIM, make sure your phone is eSIM compatible. Simply click on the Check Compatibility section to see if your device is supported. Once you've confirmed your phone is compatible, it's important to understand that installing your eSIM and activating it are two separate steps. All you have to do is click a button. Easy, fast, and intuitive. After purchasing your eSIM, you'll receive a message either by email or WhatsApp with all the information you need to begin the setup process. First, open the Holafly app and sign in with the same email you used to purchase it. At the bottom of the menu, go to the My eSIMs tab. Here you will find some details about the data plan you purchased. Press Install and Activate. The option to install automatically will be pre-selected. Press Install and Activate and follow the on-screen instructions. Press Continue in the pop-up window. We're now in your phone settings. Press Allow. When you see the Activate eSIM screen, press Continue. The installation will start automatically. Please allow a few minutes for the completion message to appear. Your Holafly eSIM is now installed on your phone. Press Done to go through to the final settings. On the next screen, select Primary to keep your number as the default line for phone calls. Do the same thing for iMessage and FaceTime. For cellular data, choose your Holafly eSIM as the default line for your trip. Press Continue. We recommend that you rename the eSIM to make it easier to identify. You can do this by choosing your Holafly eSIM and then cellular plan label, and you're done. Remember to activate roaming on your Holafly line once you arrive at your destination to be able to connect to the internet. Remember that your data will only be activated once you arrive at your destination. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the links and discount code in the description.